pretty far walk, huh?
Yeah. But it's gonna be worth it, so now I'll have somewhere where I know I can ride.
You're coming in a couple hours, I know. It's like, feel a bit tired. If you need a time, let's do it. Let's take a tree.
I'm recording this just in case, so I can remember where it is. This path, does it go all the way to the end of the road?
This path?
Yeah.
Yeah, this over there.
Alright.
You can see over there, if you look straight ahead, see the hills?
Yeah.
Over the hills, but we'll go up there.
Alright. Sick.
You can go up either way.
Alright, when I'm on the dirt bike, I'll have more gas and probably be a lot of...
And then over there is the gate.
To where?
I'll show you when we come out.
Is that the gate to like Tina's neighborhood?
It's, you know when you're right by Madison?
Yeah.
And you come in when it says Connetquat State Park or whatever?
Mm-hmm.
And when you come in from there, that's the gate right there.
Oh.
Did I go for
Say what? Wonder what kind of car that is. Had a manual transmission. And oh my god, dude! I love these little the things. I'm keeping this. That's sick. I love those. I just want to see what it looks like.
Does it doesn't bug you up when you just like found that?
No, it's brand fucking new. I don't want that no more. I like these. See these? I'm just gonna bring this home and then take these spikes off. And then put it on my dirt bike helmet. So they're fucking sick. What's that?
Now you know where the path is. That's just the hill.
All I want to know is how to get here, which I know, and then how to get to the pit. Because then after I know how to get there in the pit, then I can explore. You know? Be a lot easier too. I really want to get the dirt bike that I'm buying. Plus, the kid also has a little KLX 110 that's all in pieces. I wonder if he'll just, like, give me that. Like, not, like, give me it for, like, 200 or something.
Yeah.
Just throw it in like a bonus. So then I'll have a little fucking four-stroke for, like, you to come with me one time, or like Kristen. Yeah, I see the dirt bike tracks. I'm wearing a dead kid's helmet. Is that it?
Yep.
Through the woods?
Yep.
Word. Oh, word the fuck up. There's a little berm right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, hell yeah. This shit's gonna be fun. You can see quad tracks, dirt bike tracks, fucking car tracks. Now what's over there?
Just the hell.
No, over there.
That's where me and the fellow went snow cleaning.
Now where does that go to? What? How do you get in from there?
I don't know. We just walked in that way.
Word. Look, there's fucking embers. Someone probably had a fire here. Cool. Now I know how to get to the pit of here. Yeah, word. I wonder if kids get, like, bothered. Like, I'm sure they do by the cops. Now, is there any way this goes to, like, that big sand place that me and Kristen went running down? Where's the other way to get out? Could we go that way and get out?
Oh, this is good.
Alright.
This must be hard for it coming out.
Go up that power stroke right down it. Hit the power band. Sweet, there's a break in the fence.
Right there. See where that whole line is right there?
Yeah.
See? That's further back. That path just goes on out.
Yeah, if the cops ever came though, I would go the other way.
Yeah.
Or something. Or fucking.
I'll just keep on this way.
Yeah.
Well, for now, until we figure out what
Yeah, until.
they can cross in.
Exactly.
They cross in and turn around and go the opposite.
Or just go this way, turn it off, turn around, push it this way, and kickstart it down there. Fucking, because it's a hill. So. Fucking fake them out. Have them going one way, I'll be the other way.
The whole car was snowing. Kristen wrote this. But I'll walk this at night.
When?
Not snowing. Look how Kristen and Steph walked this at night.
That's sketchy. I don't care if I had a fucking knife on me. That's sketchy.
It's sketchy right now.
Word. I don't know who the fuck's in those woods. Could be a person, could be a fucking bear. I'm putting this shit on YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. Yeah, son, just come fucking brapping down here. Oh,
Is it wrong?
fucking GoPro.
I think this goes all the way out
To the road?
Yeah.
Perfect.
I like it here. We should get like a whole group of people and just walk there. Make sure like there's a lot of us.
Yeah.
Instead of two.
So
Something happens to one.
Yeah.
There's like a bajillion other people around.
Exactly. Fuck shit up.
The two people, if something happened to one of us, that's just you. It's very easy.
So is this Connetquat State Park or Heckscher State Park? Heckscher is where the pool is and shit, right?
Is no. It's basically East Iceland, Heckscher State Park.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, where?
Nicole's.
I think I know where that is. If this comes in here and then there's a horse farm right over there. Yeah.
Yeah,
this is
that's
where
the way out to Meyer.
Yeah. Well, the way me and Kristen came.
Want to walk it?
We came through here and then went down that way. Yeah, let's go this way. Look at the deer.
Yeah, the cars come through here also.
Wait. Hold this. No motor vehicle, fuck that.
Did you want it or did you want to rip it off?
What? No, I wanted to rip it off. Fuck the no motor vehicle sign.
The parking sign I have in my room? No parking between lines. I got that in here.
Where?
Got that, where you going from Madison? There's a whole bunch of them.
Here.
We had a car. I grabbed them all. I didn't use anything. It's easy actually to get signs off. Plastic signs. All you gotta do is go like this until they loosen.
Mm-hmm.
Just loosen the bottom one. If the top one is tight, you just spin it.
Yeah.
That's how I do it.
I wonder if these deer are gonna let us get any close. Nope. There they go.
They won't attack us.
Nah.
We don't do anything to do with it.
Alright.